Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Luxe Wonder Voyage. In today's video, I will share the details about the villa that I had booked in Bali, which is called the Bali Dream Suite Villa. After seeing a lot of good reviews about this villa, I couldn't stop myself from booking it. Stay tuned as I share my personal review about this villa, and if you're coming to Bali, please do add this villa into your list of accommodations. Welcome to the enchanting Bali Dream Suite Villa, nestled in the heart of Seminyak, Bali. Prepare to be immersed in a world of unparalleled luxury and exclusive style as we explore its 12 exquisitely designed one-bedroom private pool villas. From the inviting swimming pool to the tantalizing restaurant, private lounge, and rejuvenating spa facilities, every corner is crafted to indulge your senses and elevate your experience. Join me on this journey as we uncover the epitome of opulence and relaxation in paradise. Ensure to book the Bali Dream Suite Villa despite there being 3 properties named under Bali Dream. Now let's step into our opulent villa where luxury meets comfort at every turn. Grand entrance welcomes you to your private sanctuary, complete with a mesmerizing poolside retreat and a cozy seating area for moments of relaxation. Inside, a modern living space awaits featuring a sleek TV, a well-equipped kitchen, and access to a charming garden. Retreat to the lavish bedroom adorned with plush furnishings and tranquil ambience. Now indulge in the timeless elegance of this classic style bathroom, boasting lavish amenities including bathrobes, slippers, a luxurious bathtub, shower, and many others. The cost of this villa is about 8 to 10k INR per night, offering you an unparalleled blend of sophistication and serenity for an unforgettable escape. Located in Seminyak, the restaurant offers diverse cuisine with a customized veg menu also by our chef. Enjoy the momos, mega teas, and salads along with the buffet breakfast. Adjacent to the restaurant, the mini bar overlooks the pool, offering a scenic view. For convenience, the villa offers packed breakfast if your activities are early in the morning, along with room service and also the food delivery through the Grab app. That wraps up today's video featuring the Bali Dream Suite Villa. If you want to know more information about the villa, please let me know in the comment section and I will come back to you ASAP. Remember to like, share, subscribe for future content. See you soon more with such exciting videos. Until then, you all take care and bye.